Hi there, little music star. Have you seen a ukulele? It looks like a baby guitar, and it's full of joy and fun. The ukulele has 4 strings and a tiny wooden body, just the right size for small hands. You can strum it, tap it, and play sweet songs all day long. When you play the ukulele, it sounds like a sunny beach with dancing waves, a happy song at a party, or a little bird singing, "Hello." The ukulele is perfect for smiling, singing, and making your own music. Are you ready to strum your first happy tune? Let's play the ukulele and fill the world with music.